Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video to see how I made this baby food. 100% natural, delicious and nutritious. So if you're just joining me on this channel, please do to hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell so you can always get my posts whenever I drop them. So the first here I'm going to be making is my bananas and peanuts. Here I'm having a very ripened banana, and then I'm just going to blend this with peanuts. Bananas are very rich, containing a good proportion of carbohydrates, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium. It also contains vitamin C, alpha and beta carotene. It is actually very important that we add bananas to our daily meals, and even our baby needs it too. So I'm just going to go in to add the peanuts in it, and then I'm going to blend this to a very smooth paste. I'm using drinking water, clean drinking water. You may not want to use your running tap water, but if it is clean enough and you drink it fine, you can use that. But here I am using a very clean table water, and then I'm just going to go blend. So after blending till very smooth, I served it for my baby. Actually, he ate this, but to be sincere with you, he really didn't eat it as much as I wanted him to compared to the other food. Yeah, so this is the banana and peanut puree. So moving to the next recipe, here I had some shredded chicken that I already cooked, and I wanted to make with my own food. So I just had added some carrots and onion, and then I cooked this till it was a bit tender. And on the other hand, I had my avocado cut into half, and then I removed the butter from one half. The avocados is super rich in vitamins. It contains vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K, especially vitamin B, and also contains copper and folate. It contains healthy fats that are necessary for the body build. So this is really a good choice for your baby. Carrot is one other perfect choice for your children, adults, for you, your health, your skin and everything. It contains a lot of vitamin C. It contains magnesium, calcium. It contains a high amount of water, carbohydrates and proteins. It also contains alpha and beta carotene. I'll simply go and blend this up with little drinking water until it's totally smooth. One thing about fruit purees is that they don't really last long, like food purees. Using fruits to make this baby, you just have to make sure that they eat it all up at once, because leaving them later at that time, they might just go spoiled. So after blending, I'm just pouring in this, and then I go feed it to my baby. Well, sometimes he likes this, but sometimes he doesn't. But I usually don't mind, because I can quickly convert this for sandwich for my toast. Yeah, if you have not tried this butter for your bread, you are missing, I bet you. Try it and you give me feedback. So yeah, the third recipe, which is one of my regular recipe, I have this always, is my plantain and eggs. I use a ripe plantain here. You can use show ripe plantain, but I don't see any reason why you would use unripe plantain for babies. Well, I don't know, some people like it, but I don't know why. Plantains are very rich in fiber, carbohydrates, protein, magnesium, and they have a very high amount of potassium, and also contain a good portion of vitamin A. It's a very good food for a start in babies. I specifically liked this recipe more than all other food purees I make for my baby. Actually, I don't know why. I'm also going to be adding my big crayfish, shrimp, whatever, prawn. You can use fresh ones, you can use dry ones, you can even use the normal small crayfish if you can get hold of this. And then I'm going to boil them till they are tender. One good thing about this particular recipe is that you can make it and then you freeze it if your baby doesn't eat all of it at once. Okay, so you can just make it and freeze it, and then when you want to serve your baby again, just bring it out, melt it with a double boiler and just feed. Don't use a microwave. Okay, so I'm adding a whole boiled egg into this, so you can see how rich this is. You can also go in to add other stuffs like your soya bean mixed with nuts and all that into this puree. I also make this kind of food with rice, yam, potatoes and other kinds of natural food. So let me know if you want me to drop the other recipes, and I'll just create a video for that and then I'll drop it here. So after blending till very smooth, I served this to my baby, and guess what? He ate everything up. Trust me, he did. Make sure that the baby you're feeding is above 6 months old, so now you do not have to rob a bank to feed your babies with good food. This is rich enough, contains all the baby needs for healthy growth and development. If this video was helpful to you, please do also hit the subscribe button, give this video a like. Let me know if you're going to try this. Let me know if you've been trying this. Let me know if there are other things that you've been adding to yours as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I thought to share. I'll see you in my next video if you stay with me. Bye for now.